Hello students, how are you? I hope that all you are safe and fit at your home. Student, in the previous class, we have to learn that what is the meaning of sexual reproductions and what is the human male reproductive system, human female reproductive system, and what is the meaning of fertilization. Now, student, we are going to our next topic, embryo development in humans. Clear? Students, in the previous class, you have to learn that fertilization. Fertilization is the mean of fertilization is the process of fusion. Fusion take place between male and female gametes. After fertilization, fertilized egg is formed which receive half number of chromosomes from male gamete and another half number of chromosomes from female gamete. This is known as zygote. Zygote begins to divide and give rise to a ball of cells which reorganize and develop into different tissues and organs of the body, and this developing structure is known as embryo. So in other words, after fertilization a structure diploid structure is formed. This is known as zygote, and zygote convert into embryo or further develop into embryo by the division take place between in clear an embryo which embedded in the wall of uterus for further development, or also embedded in the wall of womb for further development. Embryo develops its body part when embryo develop its body parts such as head, leg, hand, which convert into fetus. So zygote convert into embryo, and embryo convert into fetus. Now question arises, what is the difference between zygote and embryo? What is the difference between zygote and fetus? What is the difference between embryo and fetus? Listen carefully. Zygote is the diploid structures which receive half number of chromosomes from male gamete and which receive half number of chromosomes from female gamete. Zygote is the structure which formed just after the process of fertilization. Clear? When or in zygote, division take place and zygote convert into a ball-like structure in which tissues and organs form. Clear? And zygote embedded in the uterus. This is known as embryo. Clear? When embryo develops its body parts such as head, neck, hand, clear, it is known as fetus. The fully form of zygote is known as, or developing form of zygote is known as fetus. Now, next topic is IVF. I stand for in vitro, in V stand for vitro, and F stand for fertilization. What is the meaning of in vitro fertilization? Listen carefully. Student, when a couple in female, there is no fertilization take place in naturally way, or they do not bear children in naturally way. They gain or adopt baby in the artificially way in outside the female body or in culture medium, and this culture medium is known as in vitro fertilization, in which doctor receive egg or sperm from the outside body of human beings and which kept in a culture medium for a week of hours. Then it in this fusion take place between male and female gamete, and this procedure is known as fertilization. So in short way, fertilization take place outside the female body or in the artificially medium or in culture medium. This is known as in vitro. Clear? And after the formation of zygote, division take place and zygote convert into embryo. When embryo form, it insert into the female body or insert into the uterus of the female body for further development, and this procedure is known as in vitro fertilization. So it is the assisted reproductive technology for those women who cannot bear children in naturally way. This is the artificially technique. Clear? And after this procedure, a baby is developed or baby is produced. This is known as test tube baby, because baby is produced in outside in culture medium or in vitro medium. That's why this is known as test tube baby. Our next topic is viviparous and oviparous. What is the meaning of viviparous animals and what is the meaning of oviparous animals? Viviparous animals are those animals which gives a baby, which gives birth their young ones. Clear? And oviparous, animals which lay eggs, which give not birth their young one. This is known as oviparous. Example of viviparous, human being, cat, dog. And oviparous, hen and birds which lay egg only and only. This is the main difference between oviparous and viviparous. Now, our next topic is metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. Morphosis means changes. So the change of larva into adult through drastic changes. That means when larva convert into an adult through drastic changes, this is known as metamorphosis. For example, when frog produces egg convert into larva, and larva is known as tadpole, and tadpole larva convert into adult through drastic changes. This is known as metamorphosis. In insects, metamorphosis takes place. Insects lay egg convert into larva convert into pupa, and pupa convert into adult. And this procedure is known as metamorphosis. Metamorphosis takes place in the presence of thyroxine hormone and insects hormone. Now, our next topic is cloning. Cloning is the method of asexual reproduction. That means it is a technique by which an exact copy of cell, any other part of the body, or a complete organism is produced is known as cloning. And after the procedure of cloning, offspring is produced. This is known as clone. Dolly was the first mammalian clone, clear, which was first invented by Ian Wilbur. Thank you, students.